All right, good morning, my friends. Today is Monday, October 19th, and I'm going to introduce you to our spelling words for the week. So, our first word, actually, I want to see if you can spell it on your own first. So, what I want you to do is get your dry erase board and grab your marker, and if you need to pause this video in order to do that, go ahead and do that. All right, welcome back. I want you to try your best. This week we're going to be looking at the letter Q, and we're going to look at the digraph and the words that have Q and U in them. So when Q and U come together, it makes the Q sound. Q is Ku and U is So when you put them together, it says Kua, Kua. Okay? So I want to see if you can spell one of our Kua words. Can you spell the word quit? Quit. This is how you spell the word quit. It's Q-U-I-T. Check your spelling. Did you spell the word quit correctly? Like I quit. Quit. And most words, almost all words with the letter Q in it, there's always a U, and it's a funny saying. Q and U, they get married, or they're best friends forever in a word, so they go cook, quit, quit, it, quit. Good. Let's try another QU word. Quill. Can you spell the word quill? Quill. Try your best to write it first on your dry erase board. Let's see how you did. Quill. Quill. So it's Q-U-I-L-L. That's how we spell the word quill. Like a quill that you would use to write with. Back then, a long time ago, they didn't have pens like we do, but they used what we would call a quill. Quill. Bit. The next word is bit. Like I bit the bat, bit the boy, which is a really bad sentence. Or the dog bit my neighbor, okay? So B-I-T. Go ahead and write that word bit on your dry erase board, bit. Very good. Let's look at the next word. Will. W-I-L-L. Will you go to the movies with me? I will be at school today. Will. Will. Go ahead and write the word will on your dry erase board. Very good. Let's look at your next word. What word do you think this is? This is the word where. Where, like where is he going? Where is my dog? Where, and we spell it W-H-E-R-E. Go ahead and write the word where on your dry erase board. And our final one is the word go. Like I can go outside. Go. It's G-O. Go. Go ahead and write that word go on your dry erase board. Great job. Let's review our words. We've got go, where, will, it, quill, and quit. Okay? go ahead and write, after you've written all these words down and you've spelled them in on your dry erase board or inside of a journal, take a picture of your spelling words and send them to me.